Do you need to convert your Contacts CSV file into vCard file? If yes, download Contacts CSV Converter Wizard. It provides a straightforward option to convert contact file into vCard files. Click on Next button to start the process. Here you can see the dual mode to upload the CSV file. If you choose Select File, then you can select multiple CSV file for the conversion. Once chosen, click on the Open tab. If user tap on Select Folder mode, they can pick a complete folder of CSV file for the process and tap on Open button. Click on Next. Mark the checkbox of required CSV file/folder for the conversion process. Click on Next. In the Select Saving list, the software provides multiple file formats to save Contacts CSV files. Choose as per the need. Here, we are selecting the vCard option. If you want to save the contact in one VCF file, select the checkbox of Save all contact in one VCF file. Now, browse a location in the destination path to save the output. Then, click on Convert button. The process of converting CSV file is live running in the software window. After completion, user get a successful conversion message. Click on OK. The software trial edition can convert 25 contacts only. At last, software opens the location of resultant folder. Please check the files.